Hello there everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing another natural hair tutorial. Now before I get started, let's get into the ingredients. As you can see, I'm using bentonite clay, which means I'm doing a bentonite hair mask. I usually use 3 tablespoons of bentonite clay. The bentonite clay I got from Dis-Chem from the natural section, the healthy section. Now I'm going in with my apple cider vinegar, which I also got from Dis-Chem. I usually put like 3 tablespoons in or 2, depending on the type of paste that I want. Now it's time for the mixing. I just use a fork and then I start mixing, and I usually add some water to create the consistency that I want. So then it's like a bit of apple cider vinegar and a bit of water. After mixing the bentonite clay, apple cider vinegar and water, I add my Jamaican black castor oil with a few drops of tea tree oil. As you can see, this is how the paste is looking. It is not runny and makes it so much easier to work with. I have not washed my hair, so I am applying this clay to my unwashed dirty hair. Not too dirty though. Taking off my earrings because it's about to get real up in this club. And shrinkage is so real, guys. Yo, it is so real. I usually start from the back and then I just apply small sections using my fingers just to comb through my hair. As you can see, just using my fingers, combing through my hair, applying, making sure that the bentonite clay is applied. Look, it does get messy, so don't stress. Literally, don't stress. Using the bentonite clay helps with reducing frizz on my hair, and it also helps with my curls, and I use it as a mask, but one can use it as shampoo or conditioner, and this is just to clean your hair from all the dirt, hence why I put it on dirty hair. But as you can see, like, my hair is quite straight when I put it in, which it's not a big deal. This is just because there is still product in my hair. So I'm just distributing it evenly. Guys, I would say take your time because this can get messy and it's clay. You don't want to rush and then all of a sudden you're pulling your hair and then dollar hair gone. after distributing the Bentonite Clay Hair Mask all over my hair, I sit for an hour or two and wait till it's dried. Now that my hair is all dried, or not all of it, now that my hair is semi-dry, I am going to wash this clay off. Clean hair, curls popping, look at that. To wash my hair, I use my Palmer's coconut oil formula, and this is the conditioning shampoo. It smells absolutely divine. I freaking love Palmer's. Then for conditioning, I use the Garnier Ultimate Blends. Yeah, it's not my favorite. I'm just using it because I had it. And you guys know the rule. If I bought it, I am using it. For my hair, I'm going in with my Palmer's Leave-In Conditioner. Just spritzing that all over my hair. Be sure to check out my other video on how I style my natural hair after a wash day, which I'll be linking in the description box. Now I'm just detangling my hair. You can see it detangles so much easier, hence why I love the Palmer's Leave-In Conditioner, because it makes detangling so much easier. You can see that my hair is a bit uneven, and that is because it needs a trim. Come through, come through. And that is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Till next time, bye.